Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw money from Pocket option. Now once you're logged into your dashboard, there's two ways to go about this. The first way, you come here at the left hand panel, click on finance, then you click on withdrawal. Or you can click on your profile icon here at the top right, click here on withdrawal from the drop down menu. And then what you do right here, okay, under the withdrawal section, you need to fill in some details, right? So you'll need to go ahead and fill in your payment method. You choose that in, what method you're using, whether it's a bank transfer, for example. You enter the amount that you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawable amount is $10, and you can only withdraw up to the amount you have on your free balance. Then you choose your bank that you had set up. You'll have your IFSC code. You enter that, your first name, last name, phone number, address, and then you continue with this process and follow the on-screen instructions. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.